Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for IB exams. First, familiarize yourself with the specific curriculum and assessment objectives for each of your subjects. This foundational step ensures you know exactly what to focus on. Next, develop a structured study schedule. Allocate dedicated time slots for each subject, ensuring a balanced approach. Finally, collect all your study materials, including textbooks, class notes, and especially past examination papers. These resources are crucial for effective preparation. To study smarter, engage in active recall methods such as creating flashcards or drawing mind maps. These techniques help solidify your understanding and memory retention. Crucially, practice regularly with past examination papers. Complete these under timed conditions to build stamina and improve time management skills for the actual exams. Don't hesitate to ask for help. Clarify any challenging concepts with your teachers or discuss them within a study group. For effective revision, prioritize topics based on their importance and your current grasp of the material. Focus more on areas where you feel less confident. Consistent review of previously studied content is vital to prevent forgetting. Spaced repetition can significantly improve long-term memory. A powerful technique is to explain complex concepts to a friend or family member. This process often reveals any weaknesses or gaps in your own understanding, allowing you to address them. In the final stretch, prioritize your well-being. Ensure you get sufficient sleep, aiming for 7 to 8 hours nightly, and maintain a balanced diet. These habits are critical for optimal cognitive function. Remember to take short, regular breaks during study sessions to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. This helps maintain focus and productivity. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Good luck with your exams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.